All right, guys, we're on now. Think we fixed it. Let's try this now. So now let's try screen share again, and we'll see if it works. Yep, let's try it now. There we go. Now Facebook's coming on. Now I'm gonna share the video. I will look at Facebook comments in just a minute. I'm a little bit late, but we're having technical issues with the streaming today, but we'll try to get it fixed. All right. So hopefully you guys can see this on Facebook and YouTube. So this brown area right here is a wind advisory, and it is in effect until 4 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time, Wednesday, 3 p.m. Central Time, Wednesday. So they've extended the wind advisory. Southwest winds 15 to 25 mile per hour with a 40 mile per hour or more expected, where portions of and south central Indiana and central Kentucky wind until 4 p.m. Eastern Time, 3 p.m. Central Time, Wednesday. And could blow around unsecured objects, tree limbs come down, and a few power outages may result. High profile vehicles traveling on west to east roads will encounter traveling or challenging driving conditions. Peak wind gusts will likely occur between late Tuesday afternoon, early Wednesday morning, which wind's ongoing right now. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high profile vehicle, and secure outdoor objects. And also, as I was getting the stream set up, breaking news: Tornado Alley storm chasers just said this. Get prepared for possible outbreak for southern Illinois, southwestern and south central Indiana, northwestern and north central, and southwestern Ohio. So if I'm in northwest Kentucky, I'd really be taking heat. I'm not saying that that's what it is. They're not saying that that's what it very well could be, but we don't know. They're saying that's what the conditions are, but that doesn't mean that that's what's going to happen. So we're going to look around the area. We're going to go to current temperatures. But I just want to tell you guys this. Now would be the perfect time to get those weather radios on alert mode. So here's what it's looking like. The current conditions are in the 70s. Got 70-degree in Bowling Green, 67 in Fort Knox, 67 in Metro Louisville. It's got a 65 in Frankfort, 64 in Lexington, 75 in Paducah. We got a 73 in Hopkins, 74 down in Metro Nashville, there in parts of Tennessee. Pop that up. I'm going to leave earthquakes off today. We're not going to worry about earthquakes. So the areas that it to southwestern Indiana and south central Indiana, northwest. We don't know what kind of outbreak it is. If it's long track tornado, if it's going to be severe thunderstorms. Most time when they say outbreak, it's normally tornadoes. So if I'm in those areas, especially the northern counties, especially the northern and northwestern county, I would really be taking heat. I would really be taking heat to this. So before we switch over, I need to fix the share thing again. Stop sharing. We need to. Now we're going to go to the National Weather Service thing. So this is from the National Weather Service in Louisville. Hopefully you guys can see it on Facebook. If there is people on Facebook commenting, which let me check real fast. Nope. Okay, let's go back to the weather thing. Weather story. This is the weather charts. There's the weather thing. Here's what the weather chart says. And it's going to go to specific hazards. The hail probability, quarters to golf ball size hail, damage to vehicles, homes, property, significant agriculture damage possible, injury to those caught outside. Wind probability, potential impacts, tree damage likely, power line damage possible, minor shingle damage possible, outdoor furniture, loose object blown around, crop damage is possible. And then the tornado probability, property damage or destruction. So they're saying a few overnight tornadoes are possible, and that's probably why they're calling for an outbreak. We're going to go to the next thing. So here's the severe weather threats overnight in the Wednesday morning. And all of this is going to take place right after sunset. Strong weather system will bring multiple rounds of showers and storms to the region. Strong to severe storms are likely overnight. Strong wind gusts of 30 to 40 mile per hour likely outside of storms Tuesday into Wednesday morning. Scatter reports of damaging 70 plus mile per hour winds and tornadoes likely with the yellow and orange shaded areas. Slight and enhanced risk, which is the 3 and the 2. The 1 is not so low. And it looks like that heavy corresponding and impact the Wednesday morning commute. And the forecast confidence is high. Okay. So the 3 and the 2 is a little bit of a concern, but the 3 is where they've outlined the outbreak. Litchfield, we're in the Aloe. It's much of a threat as it is to the north, but we're kind of on the edge. So the severe storms tonight. So we're going to look at this next slide. It says tonight, severe thunderstorms. Strongest severe storms late. Lows drops down to the 50s. Wednesday, strong to severe storms early, then clearing, and the temps drop. Wednesday night, mostly clear, lows between 21 and 26 degrees. Thursday, mostly sunny, highs between 44 and 48 degrees. So we're going to go to the forecast. And it says mostly cloudy, becoming windier and warm with a couple of showers and thunderstorms mainly later. First severe thunderstorms at night, high of 69 degrees, which I think we've went above that. Tonight, cloudy and windy with a couple of thunderstorms. Thunderstorms can bring localized damaging wind gusts. Lows drop to 42 degrees. Okay, so, okay, I was wrong. It's 67 degrees. It's like we're having page issues. So 67 degrees outside in Litchfield. Get off my screen. Get off my screen. So it says at 4 p.m. it's going to be a thunderstorm. Have 68 degrees. 68 degrees with a thunderstorm, and the stain needs to quit acting up before I delete this. 5 p.m. is going to be 67 degrees with partly cloudy skies. 6 p.m. thunderstorm, 66 degrees. 7 p.m. 66 degrees with cloudy skies. 8 p.m. cloudy skies, 56 degrees. Same thing for 9 p.m. and 10 p.m. 11 p.m. thunderstorm, 66 degrees. Same thing for midnight, but 65 degrees with thunderstorm. 1 a.m. 65 degrees with cloudy skies. 2 a.m. 63 degrees cloudy skies. Then at 3 a.m. strong to severe thunderstorms with the high 62 degrees. Then here's the Wednesday forecast. So today it shows a couple of thunderstorms. So we're doing it today. It says a couple of thunderstorms, but it's going to be strong to severe as we get overnight. It say windy and cooler for Wednesday. Ignore that because it's going to be strong to severe storms on Wednesday. So what they're showing for today is overnight. What that says, the windy and cooler thing, that's for after the storm. So don't don't be like, oh, we ain't getting storms because we're getting storms. Just ignore that. That windy and cooler is after the storms move through. Thursday it's gonna be mostly sunny with a high of 47 degrees, low freezing and becoming cloudy. Friday it's gonna be a high of 50 degrees, low of 43 degrees, a bit of rain in the morning with low clouds. And Saturday, it's going to be a high of 63 degrees, low of 50 degrees, warmer with some sun, mostly cloudy and mild. Sunday, it's going to be a high of 72 degrees, low of 59 degrees, partly sunny and warm. Next Monday. It's going to be a high of 69 degrees, low of 50 degrees with rain showers, patchy clouds, and mild. And then for next Tuesday, it's going to be cloudy with becoming rain, high of 63 degrees, low of 31 degrees. So we're going to go back to radar, and we're going to read off the advisory more for just a minute. I'm going to check and see if we got any comments or questions on Facebook. Let me get that off the screen. Yeah, the screen thing keeps going away on YouTube. But we're going to read it one more time, and then we're going to get off here. Indiana and southwestern Ohio. Just saw a post from Tornado Storm Chasers. There is a possible outbreak immediately after sunset. Guys, I would be taking this serious if you guys are in those areas. If y'all get put under a warning or a watch, guys, you need to listen to it. So get your weather radios on alert mode and have a way to receive warnings, no matter if it's the weather radio or wireless alerts on your phone. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get off here. You guys have a great Tuesday afternoon. If any severe weather coverage is needed, I will be on Facebook and YouTube Live. So everybody have a great night. All right, guys. You guys on YouTube. I just want to let you guys know on YouTube before I get off here. If there's any severe thunderstorm warnings, that's not destructive or considerable. I mean, I meant to say if there's severe thunderstorm warnings, I will just be on YouTube Live and not Facebook. But if there's any tornado warnings or severe thunderstorm warning with tornado possible tag, then I'll be on both YouTube and Facebook. But the only way I'm going to get on Facebook is if there's any tornado warnings. But if there's not any tornado warnings and it's just severe thunderstorm warnings, I'll keep it on YouTube. So guys, you guys have a great afternoon, and I'll be on if there's any severe weather coverage.